Namaskara. My previous video was on question tags in Kannada. It was about the concept and I had given some examples. This video is to give more examples on question tags in Kannada so that the concept really registers in your mind. So if you need to understand question tags in Kannada, you need to go to the previous video, look at it and then come back to this. But if you see these examples, you'll roughly understand what I'm talking about. Okay, here are examples. Straight away, I'm jumping to sentences and giving those examples. E bus silk board hogata. Does this bus go to silk board? Literally, it means this bus goes to silk board and then a question mark. So this hogutta, the a is your question tag in Kannada. So you just take a statement, replace the last letter with a, you got your question already. So ivattu male baratta. Okay, ivattu male baratte is today it will rain. But if you say ivattu male baratta, then it means will it rain today? Okay. Then current bill kattilla ಅಂದರೆ current cut ಆಗತ್ತಾ? If current bill is not paid, has not been paid, will current get cut? Cut ಆಗತ್ತಾ? Question. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ call cut ಆಗತ್ತೆ because there is no network. So always in your house call gets cut. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ is always. ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಿ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತಾ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯೋರ್ ಡಾಗ್ ಈಟ್ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತಾ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತೆ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತಾ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾಯಿ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಾಗ್ ಈಟ್ಸ್ ಡಾಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ನಾಯಿ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ವಿಲ್ ದ ಡಾಗ್ ಈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ generic question tag which means isn't it. It also means right, you are coming with us, right? So you say these type of things in English, right? Same concept. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ is a statement by itself. So when you put alva in the end, it means isn't it, right? Like that. ಇವತ್ತು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ ಗುಡಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ? Today the house has not been swept. Question is the question, right? Today, hasn't the house been swept? Is what you want to ask in English, proper English. But in Kannada, all you have to do is take the statement, the last letter, you just have to change it to a. You just have to remove the last letter and add a. If it is a negative tense, you just have to add it as va. Okay. So here, the statement will be, Ivattu manayalli kasa gudisilla. Kasa gudisalu means to sweep the floor. Okay. Kasa means garbage. Kasa means dust. Okay. So, ivattu manayalli kasa gudisilla. It means today the house has been, today the house has not been swept. Is this a statement? So since it's a negative tense, you have to put va to make it into a question. Okay. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, right? Will you check the account once? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ನೀವೇ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Will you tell the news to your son yourself? ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ? He did not listen to what you said. ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಮಳೆಯಿಂದ, right? ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಿಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ is program. Due to the rain, ಮಳೆಯಿಂದ, right? From rain actually. So it's due to rain. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, the program. ನಡೆಯಿಲ್ವಾ means it did not happen, did not take place. ನಡಿ is to walk. It also means an event, occurrence of an event. ನಡೆಯಿಲ್ವಾ? Okay. Then ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರನ್ನು ಕರಿಯಲ್ವಾ? ಕರಿ is to call. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ is function, event. ಸಂಭ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ means for the function. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನು, ಹತ್ತಿರದ means your close friend. ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನು ಕರಿಯಲ್ವಾ? Did you not call? Have you not called? Okay. ತುಂಬ ದಿನದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ವಾ? You do not drink coffee since long. It's a question. So don't you drink coffee? I mean, have you not been drinking coffee since long? Is a question. Then police ಕಳ್ಳನನ್ನ ಇನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಯಿಲ್ವಾ. Police Kallananna. So Kallanannu is the actual written form. Kallananna is the spoken form. So police Kallananna Innu Hidiyalva. So this Kallananna is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Kalla means thief. Kallananna means the object. In the sentence, the thief is the object. So it's Dvitiya Vibhakti. So police Kallananna Innu Hidiyalva. Has the police not yet caught the thief? Hidiyalva. Okay, this is present perfect. So you should also be able to figure out. So for example, here KLLva is present perfect, right? So Nadiyalva is simple present or future tense. Nadiyalva, alva, right? So because of that, it is future tense. So if you look at the negative tense, what you call drum beat, you will understand the difference between the negative tense of simple present, negative tense of present perfect, negative tense of present continuous, like that. So everything has a negative tense. Then avadu ninagoskara, excuse me, avadu ninagoskara kaililva. She did not wait for you. Did she not wait for you? Is the question. Proper English. I purposely put it as she did not wait for you here so that it's easy to understand how things are, how questions are created in Kannada. You just have to take the statement, end it with a va if it's a negative tense, end it with a if it's an affirmative sentence. Okay. So kayu is to wait. Avalu ninagoskara kaililva. Kaililva means did not wait, past tense. Okay. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೀಟಗಳು, right? ಸತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ. Kita means insects. How much ever you tried, the insects have not died. Haven't the insects died? ಸತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ. Present perfect. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ. Your father is not in the house, right? Isn't your father in the house is the question. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ವಯಲಿನ್ ನುಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿತಿಲ್ವಾ. ವಯಲಿನ್ ನುಡಿಯುವುದು means to play an instrument. Okay. Nudi also means speech. Okay. So they will say Kannada Nudi. It's a language, right? So when they want to say this language of Kannada, they'll say Kannada Nudi. But Nudi as a verb means to play an instrument. ನೀವು ವಯಲಿನ್ ನುಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿತಿಲ್ವಾ. Have you not learned to play the violin? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ. Your work has not been completed yet. ನೀವು ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Are you going to Mysore? ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. So this is present continuous. ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ವಾ. Had I not come to your village last year? ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ವಾ means past perfect. Okay. Had I not come to your village last year? Why are you asking me to come to your village again? Right? So this is like that. ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ವಾ. Then ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಆದರೂ ನೀನು ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ವಾ. Even after this much time, you have not eaten your breakfast. Right? Tindilva. Haven't you eaten your breakfast? Is a question. I purposely put it as you have not eaten your breakfast and then a question mark as a tag. Okay. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸವೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವಾ. Mean for 1 year, since 1 year, haven't you gotten any job? Is what you are saying in English. In Kannada, it will literally be you have not got any job since 1 year. Straight away, make a statement and then add that va. You'll automatically get the question. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ change ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ. Have I not given you change yet? So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆಯ ಜೋಕ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನಕ್ಕಿರಲಿಲ್ವಾ. So here ನಕ್ಕಿರಲಿಲ್ವಾ means past perfect. Have we not laughed for your old jokes? Like that. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಸಿವು ಬಂದು ಕೂಡ ಮಗು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಬಿ, ಮಗು ಅತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ. ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ, ದ ಬೇಬಿ hasn't the baby cried? ಮಗು ಅತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೈದು ಕೂಡ ನೀನು ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಲ್ವಾ. ಅನ್ನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೇ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಬೈಯು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೋಲ್ಡ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೈದು ಕೂಡ, even after, right? ಬೈದು ಕೂಡ ನೀನು ಏನು means anything at all. ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಲ್ವಾ or ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ, like that. Then ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ವಾ. So if you spend so much money, will your wife not mind? So ankollu means to assume. It also means not to not mind, right? I mean, it also means to mind. Okay, or to, so generally ankollu is to like presume, assume, to think. All this is ankollu. Okay. It also means, will she mind if I do it? Then you will use ankollu for that. Okay. Then ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವುದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ವಾ? ಅನಿಸು means to feel. Don't you feel that what he is doing is wrong? ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವುದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ವಾ? So there are a lot of gifts in a table. I have taken one gift. Haven't you taken? Right? I have taken a gift. Haven't you taken a gift? ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ವಾ? Then ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಹಿ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಿ. Sihi means sweet. So you put sweet for him, some sweet to eat, right, on his plate. Nanage hakalva, right? Are you not putting for me? Hakalva. This is simple present, also means future tense. Here also togollalva. Are you not taking, right? Then ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಡವೆಗಳು ಇನ್ನು ಲಾಕರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? So ittilva here is present perfect. So have you not kept your ornaments in the locker? Idu is to keep. Ittilva. Have you not kept? So in like what I said in Kannada, right? How the negative tense is specific for each tense, right? Simple present has got its own negative tense. Present continuous has got its own negative tense. Present perfect has got its own negative tense. So here you see, going back to this sentence, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I have taken one gift. Okay, ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ is present perfect. ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ವಾ? So here alva ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. So if you say ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ means it's talking about simple present or future tense, right? It means are you not going to take, right? Are you not going to take is a question. But in English, how you will ask, you can ask, are you not going to take, or haven't you taken? Is also what in English. So literally, if you want to change that, haven't you taken to Kannada, it will be ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ವಾ. You have to make it as a present perfect. ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ವಾ also you can say, or ನೀನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ವಾ, right? Are you not going to take? Is how you use it in Kannada. So negative tenses are specific to each of the, or in other words, negation suffix is specific to each of the tenses in Kannada, right? Which is what I made a video for it on the lateral drumbeat for negative tenses. You can take a look at it. Then ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮೆ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ? Right? Have you not sent your resume? Kalisilva is present perfect. Question, say English sentence is also same. Have you not sent your resume to me? Right? Okay, so ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Present continuous. Are you not bringing your vehicle to office? Okay, then ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಖರೀದಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ? Have you not bought? Present perfect. Have you not bought vegetables from market? ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಲಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? This is continuous tense again. Tonight, are you all not going to sleep tonight? So that was the last sentence. So this video is all about question tags, how you make question tags in Kannada. I just wanted to give more examples. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.